Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you have a beautiful day. Yesterday, I called the drop before it happens, perfectly selling everything before we all had a 20% drop. Hopefully you watched my video. I'll show you this in the video. It was at the end of my video. This is why you have to watch all the way through to the end of the videos. This is why you also have to watch every video, because my trades change. I'm a day trader. I'm a technical analyst. I trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, stocks. I'm mainly in the Nasdaq now. I sold most of my crypto positions except Bitcoin, MCRT, and some Ethereum. And now I'm going to slowly start buying back in where I think from the bottom. I'm going to show you this in the video. None of this is financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers. This is my trades, what I do with my money, and I'm just showing you on these daily videos, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button down there, turn on those bells, and comment down below, and join us all in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading in the Telegram. It's free. It's number 3 in the description. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the market. We're having a bit of a bounce back right now, which is beautiful. We're having like IOTA back up a little bit, but MCRT back up a little bit, but not much movements really. Bitcoin slightly up. I'll show you in the video yesterday at the end of my video. So this was 24 hours ago, 1 day ago. This is at the end of my video, so 12 minutes 49 seconds in. This is when I decided to sell things and do this. It is very possible, if there's some strong news, $800 loss. Close out this trade if it comes down to, but see, at 17 cents, if I close it at 0.17, it'll be at $5,800 loss. Not the best time to be holding on to a big position with this recent announcements. I'm going to take this loss. I'm getting out of things, guys. 2,000. I don't like this, so I'm closing this position, negative 2,000. Bitcoin I'll hold on to. Uniswap I'm going to close out. It's just not looking good in my opinion. The way the market, the way the SEC and the American governments, everyone is going after crypto. Bitcoin is, and that's when I started closing positions. And then after that, the 20% drop happened in the markets. So a lot of people thank me for helping them keep their money, which is beautiful. Let's jump back into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Bitcoin had that big, look at that big swing yesterday. Price action, it was like swing from my short playing out. Wow, crazy. Oh no, it didn't activate that short, unfortunately. Double bottom there on Bitcoin. Look at this, double bottom with big buy candles. 1, 2 at 25,300. Double bottom on the 4-hourly. Interesting. Perfect double bottom here at 25,300 with confirmation of double bottom. Why? Because you have 1, 2, right? 2 bounces off this here and here. It's like 2 double bottoms in the short term as well. So it's like, and then confirmed by volume spikes confirming these double bottom formations, which is interesting. So I think Bitcoin's going to have a little recovery rally here off this support. It came down to this support here. You can see here 25,300 was this support area. Very interesting. So on the daily, we are very oversold now, and it's turning to head up. Bitcoin indicator bot still saying a red sell. It hasn't flipped to a blue buy. The crypto guru bot, sorry. Okay, so let's do a short-term trade to figure this out. 4-hourly turning to head up. Hourly turning to head up, but volume fading. But look at this double bottoms formation. It's an interesting one. I haven't really seen double bottom like this. Like there is a double bottom. So you have like 1, 2, and then here is a double bottom. The same kind of pattern, both off that 25,300 area. So that's a major area of support. I mean, the best place, like when you zoom out, you can see the construct very easily of this, like this trend. You can see it perfectly. You can see it going, bouncing here, and then coming to here, this major trend line. This goes back to the beginning of 2023. Here is the place that I will go long. I'm not in any longs. I closed my positions yesterday, but I think that's the place to go long in my opinion. From here, but I got to find the major area of support, which is around here. There, stop loss underneath, and take profit back at the target of 35k. My yellow line is playing out perfectly. If you followed, remember when I drew this yellow line like a week ago? Playing out perfectly. That's the trade. I mean, It most likely will bounce there though, but see this area, this white line, there's a little bit of support, but here is a lot of support. So 24,100. Okay, that's a trade I would take on Bitcoin. 22 risk to reward ratio, risking 579 to make 13,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $130,000. With 100x leverage, that's 1.3 million. The trade opens at 24,220. Stop loss 23,640. Take profit 35k. I'm going to set up this trade. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under this video in the description, go down below under the video, sign up to buy, learn to trade, learn how to set up your charts, how to trade, get the Crypto Guru bot #1, take the course, more than 7,000 students. 2, trade using this exchange, you get a $30,000 bonus when you sign up to Bybit using that exchange. 3, join that free Telegram. There's 9,000 of you discussing and trading together in there. Now I'm going to set this trade over on Bybit, and you can see in Bybit, I've got all my trades are closed. I've got 264,000 in here. I've got USDT $147,000. I've got Bitcoin $47,000. I've got MCRT $36,000, and I've got some Ethereum. That's it. Everything else I closed yesterday pretty much. Now I'm going to set this Bitcoin trade, and also I'm going to buy some positions, but I'll do that at the end of the video, because when I sell everything, I like to sell everything. Everyone always goes, well, yesterday I sold everything and then there was a 20% drop, so it was very obvious that I was like very right with my decision. But everyone usually sells, why are you selling everything, blah, blah, blah. I actually like to sell it. For example, in January, if you followed my videos, I bought Tesla, Google, Facebook, TSM. Tesla's gone from $100 to $240. So I made 140% on massive amounts of capital. Google went up like 100% or whatever, 50%. Facebook 100%. I like to sell everything when I think I like to buy everything on the bottom, sell everything on the top, and then rebuy things that I think is cheap. So yesterday I sold everything, then we had this 20% drop. Now I've got cash, I've made my gains. Now I'm going to buy things again that I think is cheap. That's the smart way to do it, in my opinion. Never hodl, never just hodl and pray. Unless something's very cheap, don't hold. If it's got market caps in the billions or hundreds of billions, it's better, in my opinion, it's better to trade. You have to do your own due diligence, but these are my opinions. So, okay, in my experience, 22 years of investing. So, I'm going to open trade 24,200. So, the trade will open on Bitcoin 24,200. I'm going to do a 2 Bitcoin trade. I'm going to, it's how many X leverage? 9X leverage. Take profit will be 35,000. And stop loss, why isn't it showing that? 24,200 is when the buy order will happen. Bitcoin USDT 24,200. 2 USDT. No, I want to do 2 Bitcoin. 2 Bitcoin. Take profit is going to be 35,000, and stop loss is going to be the way you read my trade setups, as I teach you in the Crypto Master course, is you have an open, a take profit, and a stop loss. And you have to always, this is the biggest thing that you really have to understand. It's not about it's not about getting your trades always right. It's making sure you have good trade setups and your trade already set. So your take profit is set, your stop loss is set, and your goal is to lose a little bit of money on trades that go bad and make a lot of money on trades that go good. It's about risk management. It's not about getting every single trade right. It's making sure you don't lose much. And when you do have good trades, you make a lot. It's about risk management. That's the number one. So never risk more than 2% of your capital. So if you have $1,000, you can only risk $20. If you have $10,000, you can only risk $200 on any one trade. If you have $1 million, you can only risk $20,000. You get what I mean? If you have $100, you can only risk $2. Never risk more than 2% on your trade. And I'm going to show you how. So this is the trade setup. So this is where the trade takes profit at 35K. This is where the trade opens at 24,200, this gray line. And this is where the trade automatically closes. This red line here, you can see here at 23,500. So again, this is where the trade stop losses will automatically close. After I set the trade, it will automatically close. This is where the trade opens, and this is where the take profit sets. Automatically setting up the trade before I even start and knowing how much I'm risking and how much reward I'm going to have. So this trade will stop loss at 23,640. 23,640. So I'm risking, it's too much risk for that reward. So I've got to check this trade again. My stop loss is too much from this. It's on a major support here. If I bring it down here, it's on a very strong support here. So I'm going to make the trade open at that very strong support and have less risk. Okay, that's the trade setup. So it's new 23,920, 23,640. So 23,920, 920, take profit 35K. And before the trade's opened, I'm setting all the conditions, 23,640, as I teach you in the market course. So I'm risking $782 to make $30,946. Confirm. Open long. 2.7 Bitcoin. I only wanted 2 Bitcoin. Why? Weird. 2 Bitcoin. Yeah, 2 Bitcoin. So I'm risking 560 to make $22,000. Open long, open long. It's a 23,000. It opens at 23,922 Bitcoin. Cost 5,000. It's around $50,000. Confirmed. That trade is now set and waiting to automatically execute. It will automatically open. It will automatically hit stop loss. It will automatically take profit. Now I go into the market. What is cheap for me to buy right now? I've got some Bitcoin. I'll put a buy order for Bitcoin at. I'll also add spot position on Bitcoin here at 24,500. So I'm going to add some spot position for Bitcoin, 24,500. 24,500. Let's add half a Bitcoin there. That will automatically buy 12,000 on that sell. Oops. Half a Bitcoin at 24,500. 0.1. 24,500. So I'll buy half a Bitcoin at 24,500. That's automatically trade set. These are spot positions, meaning I actually own the crypto. So I've got Bitcoin in here. I want to get, so now I'm going to look at what is cheap after this drop. So Sui dropped a lot, BNB dropped a lot, Uniswap, one of my favorites, dropped a lot. It came down to $3.50 and then big bounce back. Look at that, all the way to $3.50, major support. And this is a major support going back a long time that it came down to. You can see here that this support, it came to $3.50. It's strong support going back to 2020. But now I can't just buy it. I need to see where is the good place to be buying. Still saying a red sell. A lot of support here. $3.40 is actually a very nice place. $3. This place was nice to buy. $3.40 is a nice place to buy. We got a bounce off here. We're on major support. So $3.40. Here's also a nice place to buy at $3.60 buying Uniswap. I mean, in 2021, in 2020, we came all the way down to, even before the bull market, we came down to $1.50. So Uniswap can drop more. Oops. Here also $2.20, a nice buy area. So these buy lines, these lines are where I can set buy orders and get Uniswap cheap if it spikes down. So these blue lines, right? So I'm going to buy $1,000 at each. I'm going to put $1,000 buyers at each of those blue lines. So let's start buying. So I'm going to go into spot Uniswap. You can learn again all of this in the master course. I recommend you have to take the courses to understand what I'm doing. So now I'm going to buy some spots of. So I'll buy $1,000 where we are right now of Uniswap at this exact price. I'm going to buy $1,000 of Uniswap at $3.60, $3.30. So $3.60. I'm going to buy $1,000 at $3.60. I'm going to buy $1,000 at $3.30. No, I'll buy more. I'll buy $2,000 there because it's getting cheaper and cheaper. So I've got buy at $3.30, $3.60, $4.40 where we are right now. It didn't execute my trade. I want to do it at the, so I'll buy it just another at the current price. So that trade is already filled. $3.60, and then I've got $2.80 and $2.10. So as it goes down, $2.80, I'm going to make more buy orders because it's very good value. $2.80. So I'll buy $2,000 here. And $2.10. I'll buy $4,000 here. So it's buying as we head down. So those are my orders. I've got $2.10, $2.80, $3.30, $3.60, $4, and Bitcoin at 24,500. Those are my buy orders, and I just bought $1,000 worth of Uniswap already. You can see here I already bought $1,000 worth, which is beautiful. So that's for Uniswap. Now I want to check out FXS. So again, I sold it before the drop. Now my goal is to buy it cheap. Wow, FXS, what a drop. Like, if you followed my video, I literally sold FXS in my video that I showed you. In this video, watch this. I sold FXS. You can see here. It's pretty much attacking crypto right now. So in my opinion, it's not the best time to be in crypto. It's better to see at $5.80. The next day, we're at $4.90. So I saved from that drop. I literally sold it here. If you follow my videos, I literally sold it there before the drop 12 hours ago. Look at that on my previous video at $5.80 right here before the massive drop. Am I the best at TA or what? And it doesn't look like much, right? You're saying, oh, but you sold like, it's only like $1 or whatever. But it's actually, watch this, it's actually 17%. So if 17% drop means if you have $1 million, you just lost $170,000. If you have $1,000, you lost $170. If you have $10,000, you lost $1,700. 17% is massive. Compound 17% a year for a few years, you're going to be a retired multimillionaire, like me. So okay, FXS. So I'll buy some. Now I'm going to set again. Where do I want to buy it? $4.10 is very cheap. You can see here. FXS doesn't have a lot of history. It's quite a new project. But the major support is at $4.10. So we have a major support here. We have a major support here. And we have a major support. Actually, that's it. Here. No bounce back on FXS yesterday. That's what's quite interesting. No bounce. So $4.60 is the time to buy. We also have a major support here. $4.60, $4.20, $3.90. Let's start buying. So I'm going to buy some of these positions on FXS on spot. FXS. I'll just buy some now because I get a free 17%. So I'll just buy some at the current price, $1,000, buy FXS at the current price. Then I'm going to buy more at $4.60, $4.20. So at $4.60, I'll buy I'll buy $2,000 because I wanted quite a big position. $2,000 at $4.60, at $4.20 and $3.90. $4.20, 4.2. I'll buy another $2,000. Actually, at $4.60, I would only get $1,000. Why buy? Because it can come. I think it will come down there. $4.60. So I'll buy another $1,000 at $4.60. And then bigger orders at $4.20 and $3.90. $3.90, I want to buy a lot. So at $3.90, I'll buy $3.90. I'll buy $5,000 worth. No, $10,000 worth at $3.90. So I've got at $3.90, I'll buy 2,500 FXS, like $10,000. At $4.60, I'll buy 200. At $4.20, I'll buy 1,000. $4.95, I'm buying some already. And is there a final one? At $3.90, I've got that order for $10,000. Let's do also, because there's I want to get in at FXS, so $4.20 is a really nice buy. So at $4.20, I'll also buy another $5,000. So hopefully you learn a lot about my understandings and stuff, like how I trade and what I'm doing. This is just a taste of it. Bitcoin, I'll do Ethereum in the next video. I'll do the total market cap of all cryptos in the next video in 12 hours. Big congratulations. If you followed my video yesterday, 12 hours before the drop, let me know in the comment section. Did you save yourself before that drop? And I've saved so many people multiple times. I called the top on Bitcoin on November 11, 2021. I was the only person in the world to call the day of the top on Bitcoin, and I sold everything. If you followed my videos, I sold stocks before they dropped that in November 2021. I bought the bottom of Bitcoin at 16,000. I bought the bottom of stocks in January on Tesla, Google, Facebook. If you've been following my videos, you know how much millionaires I've made and how how much I've helped the communities for free, all these videos for free. If you're new, just watch my videos, learn the courses, take the steps down below. So you can learn what I'm doing here in the crypto mastercourse. In the description, go down below, take the crypto mastercourse, set up your charts, learn what I'm doing. Trade on Bybit, you get that $30,000 bonus. You can buy spot crypto, all the things you saw me buy that was on Bybit, and join that free Telegram, 8,500 people. All the links are in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, everyone. My updates, my 20% save yesterday. Love you all. Have an amazing day. I wish you all the best. I wish you a beautiful Sunday with your family and friends. Be happy, help people, be good to people. Whatever you do, whatever you think, even if you don't think anyone's watching, someone's watching. So whatever you do, be good, be kind, be amazing, and you'll get, it's karma is real. Karma is real. You just don't think it is. Or maybe you do, but it's real. It just doesn't show up the way you think it does. So like, if you steal from someone, your wife will leave you. If you cheat on your wife, you'll lose your business. That's how karma works. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Subscribe, smash up, thumbs up, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.